What's up, guys? I made this video because I couldn't find any content on the slave cylinder for the Dodge Neon SRT4 03 to 05. So I decided to make a video. I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm just a car enthusiast, so hopefully I could help anybody out for a regular Joe Schmo. And yeah, I'm going to try to keep making you guys more content. I haven't recorded in like 7, 8 years, so I'm going to keep trying to post more videos, give you guys more content on our Dodge Neon or our Challenger Scat Pack. So enjoy and follow. First, what I did, I took away the charge pipe or the intercooler pipe, whatever people want to call it. I disconnected the sensor and then unclipped the couplings, and then I went under the car and I did the same thing. Just make sure you unscrew everything. It's just that clip and it should come out real easy. Sorry guys for the poor video quality. I'm gonna try to get mounts and stuff to give you guys better content. Then after I took that charge pipe off, here's a video how the slave cylinder is right under the charge pipe, and it gives you a little bit more clearance. And you see that white clip? That's all OEM. Make sure you don't lose that clip, because that's what helps you. You have to push it down so it could unclip. And there's the slave cylinder out of the way. And here's the new slave cylinder. Just make sure you don't lose that white clip. That goes to the master cylinder. I already put the new slave cylinder. Make sure you keep turning until you hear a click. And it's nice and rigid. There's a little slot there where the plastic goes into and it becomes nice and rigid and it's ready to go. Make sure you connect the slave cylinder back to the master. Once you do all that, you put your hand in the transmission where the slave cylinder's at and just pump it with your hands. That's what I did. I kept pumping it and I took the little plastic cover off the master cylinder. I kept pumping it with my hand until all the air bubbles got out. And that's how I bled the system. And then once that was done, it didn't take me too long, to be honest. After I did that, just repeat the steps backwards, put the charge pipe back on, connect the sensors, and you should be ready to go. In my case, there was a sensor by the transmission that was really in its way. I disconnected it and just make sure I connected it back on. So other than that, that should be it. And like and subscribe, and I'm going to try to keep giving you guys more content, or more content on the issues I have